Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to enable on-screen navigation buttons on the OnePlus 15R. Let's get started. If you selected gesture-based navigation during the initial setup of your OnePlus 15R, you won't see on-screen navigation buttons. Instead, the phone uses gestures like these. To view recent tabs, swipe up and hold. To go back, swipe from the either edge of the screen. To return to the home screen, swipe up from the bottom. While many users like gesture navigation, some prefer the traditional on-screen buttons, and switching back is very easy. So, first, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap System and Update. Now, select System Navigation. Here, you will see two options: Gestures, Buttons. Select Buttons to enable on-screen navigation buttons. You can also customize the button layout. Under Button Layout section, choose whether you want the back button on the left or on the right based on your preference. Once selected, you will immediately see the familiar Back, Home and Recent Apps button at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. You have successfully switched from gesture navigation to on-screen navigation buttons on the OnePlus 15R. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful OnePlus tips and tutorials.